Mohammed Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic criteria of uh, classification of autoimmune diseases. The subject name is immunotechnology and the discipline is food and biotechnology. Autoimmune diseases are classified into three groups on the basis of the parts of the body infected or the part of the body is damaged. So it is autoimmune diseases are classified into three groups. The first is hemolytica or autoimmune disease. Second is localized, and the third is systemic autoimmune diseases. The first is hemolytic autoimmune diseases. And in hemolytic autoimmune diseases, some antibodies which are known as the autoantibodies will identify the RBCs, platelets, and leukocytes, which will lead to the destruction of blood components. And the destruction of blood and blood cells, RBCs, and platelets is known as hemolytic autoimmune diseases. The examples include hemolytic anemia, leukopenia, and thrombocytopenia. Next is localized autoimmune diseases or organ-specific autoimmune diseases. In this type of autoimmune diseases, a particular organ is affected due to some autoantibodies. Autoantibodies means these are the antibodies will identify the self parts of the body. Body's own cells will identified by these autoantibodies. The example include thyroiditis, multiple sclerosis. In the thyroiditis, the thyroid is attacked, and in multiple sclerosis, myelin-coated nerve axons are attacked, and myasthenia gravis, in which nerve and muscle junctions are damaged, and in juvenile diabetes, type 1 diabetes is occur, and in this juvenile diabetes, insulin producing cells are damaged. The third one is systemic autoimmune diseases. In the systemic autoimmune disease, non-organ specific autoimmune diseases are occurred in immune complexes accumulate in many tissues and cause inflammation and damage. It affects many organs of the whole body. For example, systemic lupus erythematosus, which are anti-nuclear antibodies, and it will harm the kidneys, heart, brain, lungs, and skin. Next is rheumatoid arthritis, which is also a disease in which anti-IgG antibodies are involved, and it will attack the joints, hearts, lungs, nervous systems. The next disease is rheumatic fever, in which antibodies will cross-react to streptococcus and autoantibodies. So our lecture is over here. In the upcoming lecture, we will discuss about the some autoimmune diseases. Thank you very much.